Many times we think that the thing which we are interacting with the computer actually either is from the command prompt, is there shell is there, or any vim nano or any editor is there, it's part of the operating system. But really it's not, because the only part of the operating system is the kernel one, okay, which only handles resource management, input output, or any memory management, okay, system calls, all this handled by the kernel. Okay, so for operating system only kernel is needed, not the user space. User space is nothing but the which is running outside from the kernel actually, which we are all in actually, which we are interacting with the operating system. Okay, so for operating system the user space is not even required also. Okay, it can run without a user space also. So for example, embedded system, you may saw, like for example in a washing machine or in a fridge. So there is no user interfaces there. Okay, so only operating system will be there and kernel will be there, still it's running. Okay, for user space in a computer we made it for the ease of use for us. And there is a split between kernel and the user space, which is like why they made it like a split is like user can corrupt the kernel, user can stuck the kernel. Okay, so if you are running any endless loop, for example while loop without any conditions, so that can lag the user space. But because of the split only, there's a lag happens in the user space. Okay, so kernel will still be running, operating system still be running. Okay, so every system calls is still happening. Okay, so or any security issues if you are doing anything from the internet, okay, so which will affect the user space, so it will not corrupt the kernel also. So that's why there is a split between user space and the kernel one.